Welcome! Today, we're going to crack the code on a simple but super powerful formula that explains all these hidden patterns around us. And I mean everywhere, from your job offer all the way to ancient stories. Let's jump in.
Yeah, I know. It sounds like a weird riddle, doesn't it? Well, believe it or not, the answer is a head start. Both of those things have a repeating action plus a fixed one-time amount that you get right at the very beginning. And there's a master formula that describes this perfectly.
Okay, so first things first, we're going to start with a really basic pattern, the kind you see every day. Then, we're going to add one special ingredient that just changes the whole game.
Just think about it, right? If you get paid, say $20 an hour, your total pay just goes up by 20 for every single hour you work. It's a straight line that starts at 0. Super simple, totally predictable.
But now, here's the twist. That simple pattern, which we can call y equals x, always starts at 0. But what if we add a head start? That's where the plus b comes in. It's a starting advantage, a fixed amount you get before the repeating part even kicks in. And let me tell you, that tiny little addition is a complete game changer.
So what is this master recipe? What's the secret sauce that explains these patterns with a head start? Come on, let's break down the code.
All right, here it is, the big one. Y equals mx plus b. It looks simple, right? But this elegant little equation is the key to everything we're talking about today. It describes any system that has both a constant rate of change and a fixed starting point.
Let's decode this thing. Y is just your grand total, easy enough. X is how many times you do something, like working for X number of hours. M is the rate, the money you get per hour. And B? Aha, B is the magic part. That's your head start. It's your signing bonus, the fixed amount you get right up front just for showing up.
Okay, so that's the theory. Now let's see this thing in action with a really classic story. We're going to look at Joseph and what happened with the Pharaoh's dreams.
So check out these numbers. On day 1, Joseph interprets a total of 5 dreams. Day 2, it's 8. Day 3, it jumps to 11. Are you seeing the pattern here? Every single day, the total goes up by 3. But wait a minute, it didn't start at 3, did it? It started somewhere else.
And what do you know? This whole pattern can be perfectly explained by the equation y equals 3x plus 2. So the total dreams, y, equals 3 times the number of days, x, plus this kind of mysterious 2. Where did that come from?
Well, let's break it down. That 3, that's our M, the repeating action of interpreting 3 regular dreams every day. And the 2, you guessed it, that's our B. Those were the 2 special, one-time dreams from the Pharaoh that acted as the head start for this whole pattern.
And if you remember the story, Joseph explains that the Pharaoh's 2 different dreams are actually one and the same, a single big message. So it's those 2 dreams, unified into one event, that form our initial fixed amount, our B value.
Now that you know the formula, I promise you're going to start seeing this everywhere. So let's do a little rapid-fire round, see if you can spot the equation. Ready? All right. First one up, Peter's out fishing. There's a repeating action, he catches 4 fish every day. And there's a fixed one-time amount, a friend gives him 3 extra fish. What do you think the formula is? If you said y equals 4x plus 3, you got it. The 4 is the rate, that's our M. And the 3 is that one-time bonus, our B. Perfect.
Okay, next up, Abraham is on a journey. He travels 5 miles every single day. That's his M. But he got a shortcut, so he started 2 miles ahead of the starting line. What's his equation for the total distance he's traveled?
Yep, you're on a roll. His total distance y is 5 miles per day x plus that initial 2-mile advantage he started with. So y equals 5x plus 2.
Okay, time for a trick question, so think carefully. Esther is preparing a huge banquet, and she makes exactly 2 plates for every single guest who arrives. Is there a B value here? Is there some fixed starting amount of plates before anyone even shows up?
Nope. This is our simple pattern from the very beginning. The math is just y equals 2x. There's no head start, so the B value is just 0. And you know, recognizing when B is missing is just as important as finding it when it's there.
So, let's bring it all home. What's the big takeaway here? This isn't just some abstract math lesson. It's like a new lens for looking at the world all around you.
Here's the key. In pretty much any situation, just look for 2 things. Is there a repeating action? That's your M. Is there a one-time fixed starting amount? That's your B. And if you find both, the whole system can be described by y equals mx plus b.
And I'm serious, once you see it, you can't unsee it. Your cell phone plan, that's a monthly fee, your B, plus a charge per gigabyte, your M. A taxi fare, there's a flat fee just to get in, that's B, plus a cost per mile, that's M. This structure is everywhere. It's a fundamental pattern for how things grow.
So I'll just leave you with this question to think about. What are the head starts in your world? What are those hidden constants and repeating patterns that are shaping your life? Look closely, because now you have the formula to see them clearly.